So when you're in the community, there are three ways on how you can get some value out of it. Number one is the community tab. Number two is the classroom tab. And number three is the calendar tab. In the community, you can ask any Japan-related question, be it business or non-business, to make your business more successful or your endeavor in Japan easier. So, for example, here we have Robert, and he was asking, as an example, I am a small business owner running a consulting firm. I would like to expand to Japan. Looking forward to valuable content and discussions. So that's his introduction, basically. But then we clarified a bit more what specific industry he's looking for in regards to finding more potential customers. And he's saying, I'm a small online consulting firm in the financial education niche. And I gave him some ideas on how he could start the approach on finding more clients in Japan. And also referred to the Q&A call. So we have a weekly Q&A call where you can ask any questions in regards to Japan. And those are on the calendar. As you can see here, starting in May, we have Thursdays at 2 p.m. and Tuesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern time, so East Coast US time. And this should make it more accessible for people that are located in Japan. That should be the same day around 10 or 11 p.m. in the evening. Then, last but not least, we have the classroom. In the classroom, there is the Japan Business Gateway course. And there you can dive into how to do business with Japan, look into Japanese business culture, what the different strategies are, the regulatory roadmap on getting your product or service into the Japanese market, what the Japanese consumer mindset is, the language barriers and bridges and which opportunities you have despite the language barriers, and also how to deal with risk in Japan. So there are many more courses to come. As you can see here, there are market entry strategies. There's sales and marketing in general. In Japan, we have a lot of things coming up. Then doing operations in Japan, and then scaling and growth. And then we have a bonus module on e-commerce in Japan coming up as well. And there will be many more courses coming in the classroom, also from other guest speakers. So if you have any questions in regards to this that you don't want to bring up here in the community, then please feel free to direct message me directly. You can do so by writing me a message right here from chats. And let me know if there's anything that you don't know. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the inside of the community.